Hello, my name is Alan, and today I am recording this for you to help you to restore your energy levels, to move beyond your burnout. I'm going to start the recording in just a moment, but what I want you to do is take a moment, set your intention. What would it feel like to be the old you, full of energy, full of joy, full of passion, and be able to enjoy those moments? As you set your intention, all you need to do is close your eyes, listen to my voice, and for the sake of removing any visual interference, I am going to also shut my screen so that you don't even have that distraction to deal with. So make yourself comfortable, and let's do that now. Take a deep breath whenever you're ready, and just allow your eyes to close. As you do so, focus on your breath. As you allow your body now to find a position that is perfectly comfortable for you, a place where you let your body simply be without needing to hold it up or even hold it together. As you settle, begin to notice the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. You may have carried a great deal of weight lately, a heavy mantle of responsibility, the static of endless tasks, the friction of trying to be everything for everyone. For the next few moments, you don't need to hold any of that. I wonder if you can notice the very subtle difference between holding on and letting go. You don't have to try to relax. Trying is just another form of doing. And you've already done enough. Instead, just notice the sensation of the air entering your lungs, and the way it leaves, taking with it a little bit of tension that you didn't even realize was there. must, I need to. Now, imagine that behind you is a door, and through that door is a path that leads away from all of this. You don't have to leave the work behind forever. You only have to step away from the exhaustion of it all. As you turn towards that door, feel the shift in the air. The temperature changes. The light becomes softer. You're stepping out of friction and into the flow now. You are walking now. The path is soft under your feet. A path of your own making. Designed to bring you to a place of perfect replenishment. With every step, you are shredding layers upon layers of urgency. Notice the colors around you. They're vibrant, yet peaceful. There is a scent in the air. Perhaps the smell of wild herbs or salt. Dry stone warming in the sun. It is a sense of a place where time slows down. As you walk, you might notice the chatter in your mind. That busy, frantic part of you becoming distant. Like the sound of a train passing far away. It is no longer your concern. Your only concern is the next step and the next. Moving towards a villa of restoration. You arrive at a crest, and there it is. Below you, tucked into the hillside, overlooking an endless calm blue sea is your villa. It is beautiful. It is quiet. It is a place of absolute ease. And you know with the unconscious certainty that everything in the villa is organized, sustained, and provided for by the very nature of the place itself. Walk down towards the villa now. Gates are open. Here there's nothing to prove. No one to coach. Nobody to manage. No one to impress. Step inside. Feel the tile. Move from room to room. Noticing how the space find the terrace where a comfortable chair is waiting. Sit down. Look out at the horizon. This is a state of restored ease. Notice how quiet it is. In this quiet, you can finally hear the clarity that burnout has been drowning out. Confidence is not a feeling you build. It is a feeling that remains when the noise stops. Take a moment to be simply allowing. Simply be in this villa. Allow your mind to imprint the sensation of ease, the lack of pressure, the absolute safety of being exactly where you are. If there is a thought about the outside world that drifts by, simply let it float past like a cloud over the water. You don't need to reach for it. You are here. You are enough. Soon it will be time to return. But as you prepare to leave this place, know that you are leaving the feeling behind. The villa is a state of mind, and you are building a bridge back to it. Whenever you feel that familiar friction return, that tightness in your chest, that urge to rush, you can take one deep, slow breath, and in that split second, you can find yourself right back on this terrace. You can recall the light on the water. You can recall the ease of this space. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the surface beneath you again. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. When you are ready, let your eyes open, feeling refreshed, restored, and deeply, quietly confident. Carry this ease with you as you move into the rest of your day. If you wish to continue the rest, just allow your eyes to close and go even deeper, carrying the intention of going to sleep. If not, come back now, opening your eyes, feeling wide awake, and bring with you that calm, relaxed resource. My name is Alan. That's right.